How to download Adobe Photoshop for free. To get started, head down and click the link in the description down below. Then select your country. Now we're going to be on the official Adobe website, and then we're going to head up to the top left hand side, click on Creativity and Design, and under Featured Products we're going to select Photoshop. Now you can see all the amazing features that Photoshop has to offer. You can remove objects, you can combine images, you can transform images, and you can explore all the other features that you get inside of Adobe Photoshop in more detail down at the bottom. Let's get your download started. So we're going to head to the bottom and click on the free trial button. Then most of us are going to select individuals. If you're a student or teacher or you want a business plan, then you're going to select that. And then we're going to choose between Photoshop and Creative Cloud Pro. If you want the best value and you want to try out all the other apps that Adobe have to offer, go for Creative Cloud Pro. If you just want Photoshop, then go for Photoshop. If you're a photographer, select Explore All Plans and Pricing, and then head over and have a look at the photography plan. This is normally a little bit cheaper than the Photoshop only plan, and you get access to Adobe Lightroom. So it's a great combo if you want Photoshop and Lightroom. We're going to try out all the Adobe apps, so we're going to select the Creative Cloud Pro because we like getting the best value for our money. Then there are 3 subscription options: monthly, annual build monthly, and annual prepaid. Most of us are going to be choosing between the monthly and annual build monthly. The annual build monthly will be a little bit cheaper, but be careful because if you cancel before the full year is up, then there are cancellation fees that apply. So if you want Photoshop for the full year, then go for the annual build monthly to save a bit. If you're not sure you want to want it for the entire year, just start with the monthly only option. It's a little bit more expensive, but you can cancel at any time for no fee. Then we're going to add in the 7-day free trial of Adobe stock, because why not, when you get 10 free standard assets, and you can cancel it if you don't want to continue with it. Once we've made our selections, click the blue continue button. Then we're going to check all the figures are right, check that your due now is 0, so you're actually getting access to it for free, and then check when your 7-day free trial ends and how much you will be charged when the 7-day free trial ends. Once you've checked everything, enter your email address and click the blue continue button. Then we're going to enter our payment information, and that's going to start the download of Creative Cloud Pro. And then you can open that up on your PC or your Mac, and we can start downloading Photoshop. If you get stuck anywhere along the way, or if you have any questions, please let us know in the comment section down below, and we'll be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy Photoshop as much as we do.